Hello, dear students. I welcome you all on behalf of Sri Jayendra Rangjun classes. Dear students, we have started with a new topic that is different theories or methodologies of the sex determination. And in the previous class, we have already initiated the topic that is sex determination. So today we are starting with the second type of theory because in previous class we have considered or dealt with the chromosomal theory of sex determination. Now we are going to talk about another theory that is genic balance theory. So if we talk about this genic balance theory, this genic balance theory is also known as X by A theory. X by A theory of sex determination. X by A theory of sex determination. Okay. Now this theory is actually given by CB Bridges. Okay. This is given by X by A theory is given by CB Bridges. And this is explained for Drosophila melanogaster. Okay. So it is explained for the Drosophila melanogaster. Okay. Now if we talk what CB Bridges said, according to the concept of CB Bridges, so according to CB Bridges, Y chromosome plays no role in sex determination of Drosophila. And the important thing is that the ratio between number of X chromosome ratio between number of sex chromosome and set of autosome determine the sex of fly or Drosophila melanogaster. So if we see here, they want to say that the gene for maleness means the gene for maleness and femaleness are present in every organism, and there is a balance exists between these two. Okay. And it is known that sometimes some people say that the maleness is present on the autosome and the femaleness is present on the X chromosome and Y chromosome has no role. Such explained. So in genetic balance theory, this ratio is known as sex index ratio. It is also known as SIR, and that is explained as number of X chromosome upon number of autosome, number of set of autosomes. So that can be known as X by A. So such a way the sex index ratio is expected. And to identify the sex in this particularly Drosophila, according to the genetic balance theory, a cross is made between a triploid female and the male individual. So if the cross is made in triploid female and diploid male, okay, then we can identify the particular offspring by the Punnett square. Suppose to understand this, if I am taking the particularly female here, triplet female here, and if I make a gamete of this, and on this side, if I take a particularly diploid male, okay, this diploid male is going to produce a two gamete, okay, and this two gamete are going to be like this, that A plus X and A plus Y. But here it is going to produce a four gamete, and this four gamete can be A plus X. If disjunction occurs on the between the first pair, or a first set and second set, then A will be here, X will be here. So remaining will be A plus XX. The remaining A can go with the XX as well, and the remaining A can go with the X as well. So this four type of gamete are possible, and out of this four type of gamete, if you see, then this 4 A plus X and this four gametes can make a cross. We can make a cross between this four gamete with this two. If you make a cross, then cross will be like this. So here A plus X, when fused with this one, then it is going to be A plus XX. This, when A plus X fused with this gamete, then it is going to be A plus XX X. This is going to be A plus XXX. This is going to be A plus XX. This is going to be A plus XY. Okay. This is going to be A plus XXY. This is going to be A plus XXY. This is going to be A plus XY. So if we see this A represents a set. So here's how many two set are there. Okay. So if here write about this, then you will see that here X by A ratio, if we see, then the number of X chromosome are 2 and set are 2. So it is going to be 1. Same way here, the X by ratio is going to be 3 by 3. So it is going to be 1. Here it is going to be 3 by 2. So it is going 3 X chromosome and number of set are 2. So 3 by 2 is going to be 1.5. Here it is going to be 2 by 3. So it is going to be 0.66. Here it is going to be 1 by 2. So it is 0.5. Here it is going to be 2 by 3. So it is going to be 0.67. Then here 2X chromosome and 2 autosomes. So 2 by 2 it is going to be 1. and here it is going to be 1 by 3, so it is 0.33. So this are found. So here, if the ratio are this, for this specific ratio, he's seen a particular feature, a morphological expression, and he's seen that when the ratio are of such type, each ratio represents something. If the ratio is greater than 1, or if the ratio is a 1, then it is going to be normal female. It is going to be normal female. Okay. But if ratio is going to be 0.5, then it is going to be normal male. It is going to be normal male. But when ratio is going to be more than 1, it is going to be super female. Okay. So if the ratio is going to be more than 1, that is going to be super female. If ratio is going to be less than 0.5, then it is going to be super male. And if the ratio exists between the 0.5 and we can say 0.5 and 1, then it will show a phenotypic expression of intersex. Okay, such a way the phenotypic expression are seen. Okay, so if you write this, then what is this? If the ratio is x by ratio is 1, then it is going to be normal female. If it is going to be 0.5, then it is normal male. If it is more than 1 and like 1.5, then it is super female. If it is less than 0.5, like 0.33, then it is a super male. If it is between zero point 0.5 and 1, like 0.67, then it is going to be intersex. Such expression of x by a ratio can be seen according to the Janik valence theory, which is explained for the specifically for which one, the we can say a drosophila. So it is showing this condition where they explained that Y chromosome has no role in this type of sex determination. Okay. Now after this, the next type of sex determination we will see, that is environmental regulation of sex determination. And when we talk about environmental determination or regulation of a sex expression, here we will see that environment is playing a great role in the determination of sex. And here it is known that environment have very significant role in lower algorithm for the determination of sex.